हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेबीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today we discuss about most important concept of money banking. Today topic is Reserve Bank of India credit policy. The term of credit policy is now popularly known as Reserve Bank of India Monetary Policy and Monetary Management Policy. It is the central bank view on what should be the monetary supply in the economy and also in what direction the interest rate should move the banking system. That is, the central bank uses the alternative instruments and interest rate to impact the supply of money to achieve country macroeconomic target. The method used by Reserve Bank of India is known as monetary policy. Credit policy forms a sub-part of monetary policy. Is It is used to decide the quantum and the rate of interest at which credit is given by the bank. The monetary policy is either constructive and expansionary, and the same is decided to depending upon the amount of money supply required is the in the economy. An expansionary policy raised the total money supply in the economy, and the policy which constructionally reduced the total amount of money supply in the economy by the compressing credit creations. And expansionary policy is generally used to fight unemployment during the recession by reducing interest rate. However, the objective of constructionary policy is to raise interest rate as rain in inflation. Monetary policy is made by the Reserve Bank to manage the supply of money and return achieving specific goals. The goals include constructing inflation, maintaining an approach of exchange rate, generating job economic growth. Monetary policy include fluctuation, fluctuating interest rate that are the direct and indirect, pause open mark open market operation, setting reserve required, and trading in foreign exchange market. The tools of central bank uses to achieve credit policy: first, repo rate and reverse repo rate. Repo repo rate is repo is transactions between the two parties to sell and repurchase of the same security. Under this agreement, the seller sell a specific security with an agreement to purchase the same amount, mutually decided the future date and price. Next, bank rate. Bank rate is a rate at which Reserve Bank of India lend long-term loan to the commercial bank. This is tools that Reserve Bank of India uses to maintaining the money supply. Any revision in bank rate is a signal for bank to revise the deposit rate as well as PLR, primary lending rate, the rate at which bank lend money to its customers. Bank rate is not used anymore. That last time it was in 2003 when 6% bank rate was fixed. In 2011, the bank rate was replaced with the marginal extending facility. Bank rate is nowadays aligned with marginal extending facility MSF rate, which is linked to the repo rate. Marginal extending facility In 2011, Reserve Bank of India introduced the MSF, Marginal Standing Facility, as a window through the commercial bank can borrow from central bank a rate 1% more than the repo rate. It is very short terms borrowing scheme for commercial by the bank borrow fund through the commercial bank during during serve cash shortage or equity shortage of liquidity. These were introduced by the Reserve Bank of India to reduce volatility in the overnight lending rate and enable the smooth monetary transmissions in financial system. Liquidity adjustment facility, this is tools used to monetary policy that allow the bank to borrow money through the repurchase agreement. Reserve requirement, this requirement is bank regulation that set a minimum reserve cash bank must hold as a part of the deposit at any given time. These reserves are designed to satisfy the various needs. Some of them include the providing loan to the government, kept SLR kept with themselves cash that it kept with RBI. SLR, the bank are required to invest a certain percentage of their deposit of specified financial securities that include the securities set forth by the central bank or state bank. The deposited percentage is known as SLR, statutory liquidity ratio rate. The monetary is invested in the government opposed security bonds. Cash reserve ratio. This there is a specified amount that is held to be held by the bank either in the form of cash or cash equivalent and can be stored in bank vault with the Reserve Bank of India. The aim of cash reserve ratio is to ensure that banks do not run out of cash to meet the payment demands of their depositors. It is also used to controlling the money supply in an economy. Commercial banks have to hold any some specific parts of the total deposit as reserve. This is called financial reserve banking. Open market operations. Open market operation of RBI is described the out, outright purchase sale of government security in the open markets. Moral cessions. Moral cession is the measure used by the commercial bank to influence the bank into the bank bank policy. The measure taken by the Reserve Bank of India as the flow closed door meeting with the bank directors, increased secretary of inspections, discussions on appeal of the community spirit, etc. In next lecture, we will discuss about meaning and nature of public finance. Thank you.